Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has subscribed. Thank you guys for following me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I thought I would film this a very easy, very date night, extra glam. You know, these lashes are like I always say, not for the faint-hearted. Hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you guys later on. Okay, and welcome back to my channel. You guys are probably thinking like, where are your braids? Guys, I'm literally conditioning my hair at the moment, ready to like put my hair in a braided bun. I actually have a story time on my other channel, my House of Gabrielle channel. If you guys didn't know, I had another channel. I just thought I would put everything here though, because I'm going to be filming so much content here. But if you guys would just like to follow me on that one, then you can. So I just decided to do my brows off camera because it takes way too long. Anyways, so let's get into the other bits. So now I'm going to take my super long lashes. Guys, are you ready? These are my lashes. Guys, very dull light but very bomb. It's definitely like really nice. I'm now gonna go in with my MAC. Obviously this is a sample, but this is in the color C5, C7, usually a C5, but I decided to opt for something a lot darker just because I feel like it might give me a little bit more coverage, and also it might give me a little bit more color. As you guys know, I love the tanned look. I think it's so beautiful. So until I go on holiday, or until I find a self-tanning for the face that works and that doesn't break me out, then I shall stick to this. I find that with this particular product, it works better with a stippling brush than a dome brush or a normal foundation brush. I think this works a lot better. Yeah, giving me that dark tanned colour. Don't forget to do your jaw, because I'm gonna go in with some concealer at a very like affordable rate. So I definitely want to sell my own. And I think we're gonna call these the Gabrielle lashes. If you are not following me on Braidsgang, you need to be following me. But yeah, we were voting on the live chat that we had, and everybody liked the Gabrielle lashes, or the Gabriella lashes as a name. So let me know in the comments what these lashes, what vibes they give you, and drop below any name suggestions that you think would be really good for this. So now I'm going to take the Huda foundation in the shade Dulche Deliche. I think that's how you say it. And I'm actually going to use the foundation. This is like my winter shade, but for now this is going to do absolutely brilliant for my under eye concealer. And as you know, if you've used the Huda foundation, you know that this will stay on the whole day. It doesn't move. So this is a great way to use your foundation up a little bit more, so it doesn't just go to waste and you have to wait ages to use it again. You can actually just use it throughout all the seasons. I actually think I put on a bit much. You don't have to put this much on. I think I got a little bit carried away. Why does it look so crazy on camera? This does not look like that, guys, I promise you. So I'm just going to get my powder. I'm using the Makeup Revolution in the colour Banana. Yeah, it does me really, really well, and it's so affordable. Yeah, so for all my lovely ladies that want to use this powder, go and get it. I think it's under £8, which to me is a super bargain for any sort of a setting powder or loose powder. Don't leave it on for too long. You don't want to. Only just brush off. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take my MAC, oh, a bit dirty, but it's my MAC Give Me Sun, and I'm gonna now start to bronze up my face. I'm sculpting and then putting back the colour that I lost. I'm just gonna sculpt. Gonna have a bit of a drink. Don't worry, it's not alcohol. Oh, it's my line isn't too harsh. Nice. Okay, so then I'm actually going to go in with whoa. Oh. Very nice. It's definitely, and I like this setting spray because it's quite good and it doesn't go everywhere. I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. You guys know I love the Artist Couture. Nice. And brows. Lashes are so long that so I have used the MAC in the shade Chestnut. This one is a really nice dark brown. I love it so much. And then I've just like blended it out with like a tiny brush. So I lined it and then I just spread it out. Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colour, Rich and Relentless. So this is how it looks. Like this. And I'm just going to tab a little bit on, okay? That's it. Okay. Put my lips together. Same brush I use with the brown. I'm going to spread it. And this one, you kind of have to work quite fast with this because it does dry quite quick actually, which is a good thing, but not when you're trying to blend it out. And there you have it, your lip face is done, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a very easy, simple look. And just remember to like, comment and subscribe. Leave down below any suggestions you would like me to do, and I can do it for you. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.